Morning for day 7. Saying bye to the room. Me and Emma are going to Volcano Bay. Not feeling very well, are you, Mummy? No?
No.
What are you going to do?
Well, I'm going to sleep at the pool.
I actually love this hotel. It hasn't changed. Doesn't need to.
Oh yeah, but we don't want to be missing one.
Look at that, we've arrived at the bus stop exactly as the bus pulls in. We have been so lucky with timing this holiday. And also, it's a good job you listened to me, because if it were up to you, we'd be in the lobby buying tickets now. And we'd have to sit here for half an hour.
You don't know what the queue's like on the other side.
It doesn't matter, it's not going to be half an hour. Stick with me. I feel like I'm going on the King Kong ride again. The weather's kind of cloudy today, but I'm quite glad of that. Still obviously very, very hot. I love these little walkways with all these plants around.
It's nice.
What?
It's nice, it's like you right, wide.
It's like being in Hawaii. Volcano Bay. Can I have a picture? Oh, that volcano is a lot bigger than I thought it would be, and that's huge. It is actually massive. It looks a lot bigger in real life than it does on the pictures.
Look at the ice going on that side of that, because I've been after those pictures.
Oh god, yeah. And the waterfall is more violent than I thought it would be. Let me show you what I thought. Lovely. Right, come, let's go. Get a locker. Just finished at Volcano Bay. What time is it now? I've got here about 12:30ish. It's now 20 to 3. Had a nice time. It's Labour Day weekend this weekend, so it's been so busy. So we've only gone on 2 or 3 slides, had lunch, gone around the, it's not a lazy river, it's a river rapid thing that you have to wear a life vest for. That was really fun. But it's a shame really, because it's too busy here today to enjoy it. So we're off to Disney tonight. That might be just as busy as well, with it being the bank holiday weekend in America. Thoughts, feelings on Volcano Bay, please?
Get that so close.
It's not.
It is.
Not, and I can see.
So can I.
You can see the zoomed in version on the front. I can see the full thing.
I liked it if it was less busy. I still don't prefer it to Typhoon. I still prefer Typhoon Lagoon.
We've got minions. Bye bye, Hard Rock. Oh, there's my towel peeking out. Go away. It's been a pleasure. Uber on the way. Who's excited to go back to the Swan? It's here. You look beautiful, Mummy. Can't tell that you're dying. You're hiding it well. Let's put it that way. That's as far as I'll get. Close to you, wise. Thank you. Good.
Have you got a jump? That's alright. That's alright.
You look equal to me as well. Yes, I look lovely too, in case you were wondering. I've got Mickey Mouse with me. I can't believe that I'm taking that out to a signature meal. But we're watching the fireworks later and I can refill it for $2 of popcorn. It's a no-brainer. Where are we? We were just saying we've never ever driven here. Because obviously you just get the monorail, so we don't know what the lobby looks like. I should have said yesterday a guy told me that he liked my t-shirt, and today I've just got an I like your ears, so I'm still on the every day I get a compliment from a stranger thing.
Choose the sunset one downstairs to the area lounge.
Yeah, okay.
Or you can try outer rim on the front.
The grounds, Mickey Mouse.
There she is, with a boo-boo.
I'm ready for a glass of wine.
I'm ready for a glass of wine. My drinks are getting less and less. Ready for popcorn. It smells like food in this lift. Is that the menu?
Oh no. We're going up to floor 15. Oh, we've got windows. Oh, the blinds are shut. Plenty wine.
Come and eat here for the view. There's the view.
The nice blind.
Half an hour they'll open.
I'm glad that Mickey's with us.
There's one. Mum just dropped him in the lobby. Made
And it's a
massive
good
bang.
job. Yeah. Said it's a good job that he's got bandages on already.
And then she also said that she can't believe how many people are in here wearing Crocs and flip-flops and stuff. And it's like, I keep telling you, you're in a Disney restaurant. So we have a 3-course menu.
£3,550.
Is that what you're having? The blinds are going up. Are you ready for the view? Are you ready for the beautiful sunshine?
Of the rain.
Oh no, it's absolutely hammering it down. Oh, look at the ferry boat. Oh, and there's another boat as well. But yeah. Oh, I can see the entrance to Magic Kingdom. Grand Floridian's over there. There's a Polynesian.
Now let's sip is kicked in.
Your lemon sip's kicked in. So what does that mean?
Alcohol. Alcohol and lip sip. And a rocky time.
Are you going to have the signature cocktail?
No.
It's only $138.
Yeah.
You are a cheapskate.
What am I having? An ice?
I don't know if you can see the rain, but it's absolutely chucking it down. Isn't it funny how every time almost we've arrived at a bus stop, a bus has come in. Every time we've gone inside to a proper meal, it started raining. We have been blessed.
And every time we order an Uber, they're there when we get down.
I don't know if that's just
Joking, because we plan it like that. I have the sushi. Mum has the peach and raspberry salad and the margarita. And Kate's got the crab piece with another margarita. Starting to clear up. Oh, it looks nice now actually, the weather.
starters out of 10. Mine was a 10. Filet, Emma's got the same. Chicken. Yeah, Emma's, for a bit of context, this meal is $100 per person. Pre-drinks.
Cash give me finish it off.
Yeah, the waitress has given up serving us the wine. We had to send our steak back because we ordered it medium and it came fully well done, yeah. And then they brought over the second steaks and it was the same again.
No, mine was better than the first time.
Oh, and the guy said, are they okay now? Do you want to check before I leave? So I checked and it was well done again. And I was like, oh, it's overcooked again. I was like, it's whatever, I was trying to eat it. And he was like, do you want me to take it back? And I said, I'm just going to eat it. And the waitress came over, she said, everything okay? And he said, no. So, the waitress is lovely, apart from the fact that she's given up on the wine. The food was delicious. The steak was delicious. All the sauces and everything was delicious. It was just overcooked, which is a shame. Here's the view now. Magic Kingdom over there, looking lovely. I'm really excited for these fireworks, you know. We're looking at the monorails go round. I really, do you know what? I would 100% come back here again. I think it's really nice. Look now, it's kind of atmospheric, isn't it? But I am really looking forward to these fireworks tonight.
You want me to go to Epcot at the beginning?
They'll be
30 seconds.
Emma, they'll be a billion times better.
Epcot, that one.
No.
Like a right dick because you lot are all sat down. I come over, they're amazing. After that, went down.
This will make me cry 100%.
This one made me cry.
It will. With my 5 little bites, we've got chocolate, honey. Look at the bee. The bee is cute. Strawberry, carrot, lemon. Beautiful.
Taste that.
Mum's got cheese and biscuits. And I've got a dessert wine, and I don't think anybody in the world actually likes dessert wine. Let's give it a go.
You need to get them. And then the bomb jacket. And then he was looking because he was like, everyone's got this beer. And he was like, I'm not going to bloody beer. Because he was like,
Who wants to drink that? Emma, try. Emma, have you ever tried a dessert wine?
Yeah, Yeah, I don't mind.
Have a sip of that.
It's like sugar.
Yeah. It's like syrup. Don't.
It hints of, oh my god. Horrible.
Tip of the tongue, teeth and the lips.
That is vile. That isn't even wine, it's like
Syrup.
sugar, syrup, wine.
What have you got? I said one sip. I'll have my little honey cake in one bite. Oh, it's cute with the bee. Be gone. That is good. I just finished off Mum's cheese board, and this is why I will never be thin. Lovely. Lovely creamy cheese.
You've left it.
I've eaten what I like. The creamy cheese. They had the mystery fruit, some raspberry coulis and some honey. Lovely. I would highly recommend coming to Disney. Excuse me. Coming to Disney at this time of year. It's now 8:20 exactly, and on Genie Plus I could order a Lightning Lane reservation for right now for the Barnstormer, Big Thunder Mountain, Buzz Lightyear, Dumbo, It's a Small World, Teacups, Aladdin, Monsters Inc. Laugh Floor, Pirates of the Caribbean, Space Mountain, and that's it. But I could get one for Little Mermaid in 10 minutes, Tomorrowland Speedway in 20 minutes, Splash Mountain in 15 minutes, Pizza Planet until 10:10. California Grill, highly recommend. Make sure you request a window by the table. A table by the window, then you get to see this view. I'm so stuffed now that I definitely don't want any popcorn, which means this guy's coming for no reason. Nice Chef Mickey's. And here's shops. Monorail's in. Monorail, monorail, monorail. Oh my god. Yeah, but which direction are we going? I am not running after that meal. F that. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to. No! You made me run for no reason.
Cabbage to 5k.
No, it's not cabbage to 5k. Monorail, monorail, monorail. Still think it's mad that the monorail goes through the hotel. We're inside the hotel right now. Monorail, monorail, monorail. Come on. Monorail, monorail. Mum just got chatted up. She might be not well, but she's still got it. Camera D, y'all. Camera D. We're on the monorail, monorail, monorail. Una manzana roja. If there's any Spanish people watching this, comment below.
Or any Cubans. Because they know also, they're not French.
Emma thinks that Cubans are French.
That guy on me and Mum both thought the lovely Uber driver was French, but apparently he was Spanish. He worked in the French pavilion.
Yeah, but he said, but I'm not French. And he said that all of his friends are French because he met them in the French pavilion, but he's not French, he's Cuban, and he had a strong Spanish accent. Sneezy. Any more in you?
Coffee sneezy.
It's like I've actually got a black popcorn. I have to, when I get up.
Oh, I was going to ask you.
Now approaching the Polynesian Resort. So near yet so far. I'd love to stay here. Oh, it's the lightning again. It's not in. This is not in as good a location as our hotel because you can only get to Magic Kingdom easily. Well, at Epcot as well on the monorail. But I just want to stay here. I feel the Polynesian vibes. Now entering Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. We should come to the Grand Floridian for dinner on the last day. We would need to book that. We should have a look at booking that. That is an excellent... Wait a minute! I love that idea.
Rock and roller coaster reference. Because he's been at, I was saying to one before, because he's been at Universal for so long, I feel like this is a brand new holiday.
I feel like it's nice to be back.
Yeah, back at Disney again. It's like, wow.
Whatever.
Universal is way better than Disney.
No, I'm happy to come back though.
I'm happy to come back. Welcome to Magic.
Great, but because we only ever go there for like a couple of days. To me, it just feels like a filler almost. Like I'm ready to get back.
If I could only go to Universal or Disney, it'd be Universal any day of the
I
week.
want to see SpongeBob walking down the street.
Nighttime Magic Kingdom. Mickey and Minnie with the 50th birthday cake. Cute. You're in.
He's right here.
Thank you.
And your finger on the
I
glass.
think it was this finger, but I'm not sure.
It's that one.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And we're in. Fireworks are at 9. It's 5 to 9. Thought you didn't like being late.
Stop filming each other. Film me.
Don't say frig me when I'm filming, Emma.
Everybody's watching it.
So we're going to watch it from part way down Main Street so we can see the projections on Main Street as well as the projections on the castle and the fireworks. Good plan. Oh, have you seen the castle lit up?
Should we say no?
It's too short. Ladies and gentlemen, due to inclement weather, this performance of Disney's Enchantment has been delayed. Hold on, girls. It'll be on eventually.
No.
It's starting. It was delayed, but now it's starting. Not really that much delayed.
fireworks show has destroyed me emotionally. And because it's raining, so I'm gonna put my camera in my bag. I just took some great photos of the castle. Selfies of me and pictures of me and my Mac, because it's atmospheric in the Mac, and that's the Walt Disney statue and me. And I've bought a Spirit jersey, and I've taken videos of all this because I loved it. Loved it, loved it, loved it. And I hate people that take photographs of fireworks. I think there's nothing more boring. But now I'm one of them. Oh look. Cute. Now we're going on Winnie the Pooh. Yo! Emma likes that. We're in the honey.
East wind traded places with West wind.
Ah, it's cute.
If you ask me, he'll never reach that train.
This ride is very, very cute and sums up why I prefer Universal. Whose request is this? Do you want to smell the apple pie? They've changed it. I can't smell. Oh god. We've literally arrived here as the doors open again. We are actually blessed. Someone's looking down on us.
Are y'all done up there? George, wonder where he went.
Nice shades.
Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete?
Here we go.
There's no better time to start.
It's very good, that, isn't it? We've got a lightning lane for Space Mountain, and we're going to go on the People Mover before then, but we still call it the Blue Line. And the humidity is so bad that it actually looks like fog. You can see the air is not hazy. Yeah, it's just, yeah. The humidity is next level. Here I am in Tomorrowland. Join me now.
As we go on, it's a blue line.
I am sweating.
It's not that hot, it's right down since it rained.
It's the humidity, it's not the heat.
Yeah, but
It's humidity, I'm like...
Ready? Let's go.
Oh my god, it's so slippy. My shoes are so... I'm literally sliding out of these shoes. Good idea, stand sideways. Oh my god. Now my feet are on the ground.
Stuck in my head.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, piernas dentro del dispositivo.
Making me run in these slippy shoes, this is a claim.
Then step into the car. For your safety,
Oh, Emma, this was your favourite ride.
keeping hands, arms,
What's your favourite thing in Magic Kingdom now?
and other appendages
What?
inside your car. And please supervise.
The Breezy, I think it used to be called the Blue Line. Join me now.
I'm Act 5. We're guided aboard this
highway in the sky.
The absolute
This is what I
best
learned
way
the
to
other
see
day.
tomorrow. Resume the green and red line. Don't worry.
How cool
your
is it look
express
at night?
train
Look at the
keeps on
castle.
rolling through the future. Right
I
by
love
two
the
of my
projections on
favorite
it. I
spots.
think they look amazing.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron Light Cycle Run.
I love a good circuit, and these are two of the best tracks in the cosmos for a bit of light, speedy competition.
Are you sure you're not going on Space Mountain roller coaster, gal?
Absolutely. Well, thank you for being back.
To your right is the Astro Orbiter, our celestial symbol of interplanetary harmony and fellowship.
Just been on Space Mountain, and let me tell you, it was underwhelming second time round. The first time we came off buzzing, loved it. Said it made us feel motion sick, you know, great. And now, because we've been on obviously loads of rides, it was underwhelming. But here we are, walking down Main Street at night. The park closed at 11. It's now 15:15. Mum's not feeling very well again, she's feeling sick, so I'm gonna say night now. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to Epcot.